guys, my name is Adhira. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a greeting card for Mother's Day. And these are the materials you'll be needing: a paintbrush, a bowl of water, glue, any color of your choice paint. I have taken black and golden, satin ribbon, some flower. If you want to know how to make these flowers, make sure you go and check my video DIY flowers. So you'll be needing how many other flowers you're gonna make, and four ice cream sticks. Make sure as many as ice cream sticks you have, those many flowers you're gonna be having. And then lastly, a pen. So first we're gonna start by painting the ice cream sticks. And I'm done with the fourth one. I'm gonna place it aside. And now we're gonna wait for some time so that the ice cream sticks are gonna dry. Okay guys, my sticks have dried. Now we can close the black color and keep it aside. And now open the golden color. Don't use a lot of golden. But now we are gonna take a bit of the golden and just gonna apply it slightly on it, so that it gets that kind of shiny effect. That happens sometimes, but don't worry guys, it's okay. Make sure the middles are mild, but the corners make it bright gold, so that you'll get that effect like go dark to light kind. I'm gonna close the gold paint. Keep it aside. And after those are dried, I'm gonna show you guys the next step. Okay guys, my sticks have dried. So now the flowers I have, the 4 flowers, I'm gonna take the flowers one by one. And actually I'm gonna write what I wanna say to my mom in the flowers. Since the sticks are dried, Mother's Day is there, and I'm gonna take the glue. And guys, I totally forgot. I forgot to make the leaves, and so I'm just gonna get the papers. So I'm gonna wait for a moment. And I also bought my scissors, and I bought some green paper. Keep this aside. I'm gonna show you guys how to cut a leaf. I'll go with that. Just going to run. I'm so I'm gonna show you how to stick it. One leaf for all. And I forgot to tell you guys, you can make this actually after you make the leaves. and before you stick it. Yeah, just the pattern for the leaf. Doing the same thing for this one. So this is how mine turned out to come, and I really like it, and I hope you try it at home. And make sure you wish your mother a really happy Mother's Day, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And that's it for today. I'll make sure I see you in my next video. Bye guys.